Want off-road performance? Need to haul heavy loads? Check out this dump truck, right for you. Front and rear axles bear 5 tons and 13 tons respectively. The cargo box is 5.6 meters long, perfect for hauling timber, ore, and waste residue. It comes with a Weichai 210 horsepower engine and a fast 10-speed transmission. Power is never a concern. New trucks guarantee high durability. No major issues with proper use. If problems occur, our specialists will assist you. Ensure smooth operation and easy maintenance. For more truck information, feel free to message Yunnan Mengshi Automobile.